Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will show you how to switch your TikTok account from private to public. So for that you have to go on your TikTok app, click on me. Okay, so now go on those 3 points right in the corner and go to privacy. Okay, so here as you can see my account is already public. So if it was personal, it would have been like this. So click right here, and as you can see, they are telling you that anyone will be able to see your contents and likes. You will no longer need to approve followers, and any pending follow requests will also be automatically approved. So that's great because now everyone can see your TikTok account and you will be much more successful. So click confirm. Okay, so now your TikTok account is public. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please comment down below and also like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.